Hey everybody, it's Hailey. Welcome back to another day of Christmas desserts. Today we are making Santa's trash cookies, which is obviously a really funny name. They're kind of like kitchen sink cookies where you kind of put everything in them. And I like chocolate chip cookies, and you know, that's kind of the base. And then you just add a bunch of stuff. This is gonna be fun. Let's get started. So first here I have 1 cup of brown sugar, and I'm gonna add half a cup of granulated sugar and a cup of softened butter, and mine is salted. Then I'm gonna use my hand mixer to beat that together. And then we are going to add 2 eggs and about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And over here in a separate bowl, I'm going to mix together 2½ cups of flour with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then you'll add that to your bowl with the other ingredients. Okay, the dough is done, and now we're gonna add in all of the mix-ins, which is what makes this cookie so special. Also, don't forget to scrape down your bowl. Make sure everything is fully mixed in. I actually have this adorable Santa spatula today. However, it's not gonna be strong enough to mix in all of my mix-ins. A little bit of a confusing sentence. So basically, these are trash cookies. You can add whatever you want, whatever you feel like. You wanna add about 2½ cups of mix-ins. And I'll let you know what I'm adding, but you can honestly do whatever you want. I'm gonna do about 1 cup of chocolate chips because these are chocolate chip cookies and chocolate chips are just classic. And then I have these red and green baking chips, which I thought would be perfect because then they'll look really festive. If you don't have red and green baking chips, you can also do sprinkles. And I think I'm gonna do a 1/4 cup of these. Yep, that looks good. Going in. All right, what am I at? 1 1/4 cups. Next thing I'm gonna add is about ½ a cup of slightly crushed pretzels. So you still want them to be in big pieces, but I'm just gonna break them up a little bit. Yeah, we don't want pretzel crumbs. We just want pretzel pieces that are not gigantic. Perfect. Right, adding those in. So we're kind of making a sweet and salty cookie here. And I'm also going to add some of this homemade toffee that I have. I'll put a quick clip here on how I made it. But I know a lot of people also buy like toffee pieces from the store. So, or like if you have toffee or caramel candies, those would be good to add. Just lying around your house. Ooh. This is like glass. Oh my god. So to make my homemade toffee, I'm melting some butter in a sauce pot over medium heat. That's ½ a cup. You want it to get nice and bubbly. Then you're gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar and ½ a teaspoon of salt, but I had to substitute for the sugar. Cook this until it gets all combined, and then it should bubble and look kind of caramely. And then you pour it onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and let it harden. I don't know how much I want to do of this yet. Might do like ½ a cup or a 1/4 cup. Okay, I'm gonna crush up my Toffee Bits. Ah, take that and that. This actually breaks really easily because it's like glass. So crazy. And I'm gonna make these pretty small bits because it can get kind of crunchy. Okay, let's see. All right, looks like I'm gonna do half a cup. All right, so half a cup.
1 cup, half cup, half cup. That's 2 cups, quarter cup.
And then a lot of people also do potato chips in their cookies. For some reason, we don't have potato chips, and the whole point of this cookie is to use whatever you have. So I'm going to test something different. I will either be using Pringles or Goldfish. I'm trying to decide which one is going to turn out better because I'm not sure about these. These are pretty similar to potato chips, but I really actually love Goldfish, so. For now, I'm going to mix this in and see how it's going. I'll clean it up, don't worry. Okay, my dough is done. Now I'm scooping out some cookie dough balls and I'm putting them on a baking sheet and I'm gonna chill them for about 20 minutes before I bake them, just so that my cookies will be thicker and doughier when they bake. And then, when you're ready to bake them, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. These are gonna turn out so good. Okay, cookies are done. This made about 3 dozen cookies and I actually only had to bake them for like 8 minutes. And no more than that because I have a convection oven. It cooks things so fast and it's hard to get used to. Yeah, but anyway, they're done. Look at these. I put them in the Santa bowl because they're Santa's cookies. And I'm gonna try one. I mean, they're chocolate chip cookies, so what can I say? They're delicious. However, I really love the Toffee Bits in it and the pretzels. You know, the crunch and saltiness of the pretzels. It's so good. Plus, they've got red and green chocolate chips, so they're really fun. Well, anyway, thank you so much for baking with me today. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Christmas dessert is, and I will try to make it. And I'm going to be posting a Christmas-related video every day, so make sure you click subscribe so you don't miss any of those videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!